Everybody, it's Tony Lopez here with Alternative Living Spaces, standing inside of a unit that we just completed. This unit is actually going to be going to Tennessee. Someone's going to be using it for full-time living. And this unit in particular is a 40-foot shipping container. It's a one-trip high cube container. So really good condition on the exterior, super clean, love the color that they chose. And then the interior reflects one of our standard models. It's actually our Luxe 40-foot model. You can get it in a few different packages, but this one really turned out great. So excited to just kind of walk you through it. Right now, we're actually in the living room space. So right across from me is where the sofa would go. Across from that is where the TV area is. This can also be an additional living space in terms of if you have guests coming, you can always put a sofa bed, things like that. Or if it's an Airbnb rental and you really want to find a way to be able to sleep up to 4 or even maybe more people, you can use this space for that. One of the unique features in this home is the wood beams. You can see all the way across right here. Love how these turned out. Really nice stain. And the stain also complements, which is the same stain here for the kitchen countertops. So a lot of our builds, you'll notice we go with the butcher block countertop. It's really simple to work with, and it's an affordable option, so we do recommend others to use these as well. Here we have our stainless steel sink. We went with matte black for all of our fixtures, all of our hardware here in the kitchen. And then we have our 2-burner induction stovetop. This one is the brand Impava. We use it for a lot of our builds. We've been very happy with it. Continuing in the kitchen, you got your fridge right here. It's a mid-sized fridge. It's like an 11 cubic foot fridge. We have our plug up there, so if you want to put your microwave up top. And then across from the kitchen is your entry door. So we went the French glass entry door. It's an outswing door, which is really nice. Just helps to open up the space and allow the outdoors in. Continuing down the hallway, first thing we have here is actually the bathroom space. I'll just step right in. So here in the bathroom space, you can see similar style vanity to the kitchen cabinetry and countertop. This one has an LED style mirror, and then we went with the corrugated metal shower, once again with the matte black fixtures. The bathroom door is fun as well. Did the 5-light frosted glass panel, and love the barn doors. Coming down the hallway, a nice window up here just to add additional natural light. The more windows you put in your container home, the more open it feels. Then you got your bedroom space in the back. So awesome AC unit. This one is a 12,000 BTU Senville mini split. We recommend using these. These are great. They're affordable. And if you were standing where I'm standing, you would just feel how nice it is. It's at 62 right now, and we're in the summer in Vegas. So the bedroom space can really be created in a way that is comfortable to meet your needs. So we'll have a lot of clients, they'll either put the headboard against this back wall, or they'll go horizontally here. You can mount your TV right here on this end. And then opposite of me is a wardrobe space for your closet, or just for you to put a dresser to store some clothing. I really like when it comes to the interior finishes of this unit. It just feels bright and airy. You know, for all the walls, we did interior shiplap. It's MDF shiplap, and it's really simple to work with. It has a really nice smooth finish. For the ceilings, we did smooth finish drywall. Painted that white. All the door trim, all the baseboards are in white. And then the flooring is also a really nice lighter color. Went with the blonde flooring. Recommend using like a laminate or a thicker vinyl type flooring. And it just gives it a really open space. That's something you want in a tiny home where, you know, with this unit, it's only 320 square feet. So you really do want it feeling bigger. And with that, you know, if you are inspired by this model, you want to learn more about it, we have a lot of information on our website for this particular model. Just visit us online at alternativeliving-spaces.com and click the Luxe tab. This is our Luxe tiny home. And for those of you that are DIYers, we have something for you as well. We do have a free training. It's linked in the description below. For those of you that want to build something out yourself, you can totally do this yourself. Do it as a DIY build. We'd love to teach you the way. With that, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video.